Kua Bay Residence is more than a home. It is a harmonious dialogue with the raw, elemental beauty of its surroundings. Inspired by the ancient Hawaiian concept of Mauka-Makai, the residence embodies the journey of lava from mountain to sea. Nestled amidst a dramatic backdrop of dark lava formations, the house emerges subtly, as if organically grown from the earth itself. This strategic design ensures privacy while offering breathtaking vistas of the Pacific Ocean. The architectural narrative unfolds through a series of carefully curated spaces. Guests are initially welcomed into a subterranean world, where the guest hall and garage blend seamlessly with the rugged terrain. A hidden gem, a lava rock grotto, beckons visitors into a secluded sanctuary, an intimate space to connect with the raw beauty of nature. This subterranean prelude creates a sense of anticipation for the main event. The L-shaped main residence is a masterpiece of indoor-outdoor living. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve the boundaries between interior and exterior, creating an airy pavilion-like atmosphere. The heart of the home is a spacious great room, where the kitchen, dining area, and living room flow effortlessly into each other. A central courtyard, framed by reflecting pools on one side and a verdant lawn on the other, becomes an oasis of tranquility. The interplay of light, water, and greenery creates a serene ambience. The exterior of the residence is a testament to the architect's respect for the site. Horizontal bands of basalt cladding mimic the layered lava formations, while Alaskan yellow cedar accents add warmth and texture. The house is not merely an observer of the landscape, but rather a participant, a structure that complements and enhances its natural surroundings. As the day transitions into evening, the residence takes on a new allure. The infinity pool, a shimmering jewel against the darkening sky, invites relaxation. The lanai, furnished with light-colored sofas and chairs, offers a perfect vantage point to admire the celestial spectacle. The Kua Bay Residence is more than a dwelling. It is a transformative experience, a place where the human spirit finds solace and inspiration in the embrace of nature. And there you have it, a stunning exploration of the Kua Bay Residence by Walker Warner Architects. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the harmonious blend of human design and the raw beauty of nature. From its concealed entrance to the expansive ocean views, every detail is a testament to the architect's vision. If you were captivated by this home's unique character and impeccable design, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architecture and design content. Thank you for watching.